At one time, Australia's Cobb & Co network was harnessing 6,000 horses a day and covering almost 30,000 miles a week, which included the world's longest coach run from Port Douglas to Melbourne. But despite the vastness of the Cobb & Co outfit, the advent of the steam train pushed Cobb's coaches into oblivion. And so began a new era, the era of steam. Those huge steam locomotives, which were to dominate transportation in this country for about 100 years, had about them a special kind of romance. We can hear part of that romance, train up Hawkmount, back in 1967. One was a giant Beyer Garratt, and the other a standard goods loco. In this unusual recording, listen to the engines working hard on the heavy grade. Suddenly, their wheels begin to slip or spin on the rails. But after grinding to a halt, they take hold again and move off. These sounds are now part of our history. I've got a thing about trains.